How to sign in to Picsart account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Picsart account. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store. If you haven't already, just search in for Picsart application and make sure you have successfully downloaded as well as installed, and if there is any update available, make sure you have updated it as well. So just open it from over here. So once you're inside here, you will get this interface at the home screen. Just tap on, if you have a Google account, you can also use your Google account to quickly log in with your Google account or Facebook account, or you can also use it continue with email. So let me just continue with my email. So once you type in your email, just click on and make sure you have followed the on-screen instruction to create a password. So once you follow the complete password pattern over here, just click on it and just click on complete, and you'll have successfully created your Picsart account just like this. And you can just follow along the on-screen instruction, or you can also skip it. So just do accordingly, like according to your choice, and just click on finish, and then you will have successfully created as well as polished your account on your Picsart for the first time. So you can just start editing right away from now. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.